The nonpartisan Congressional Budget Office projected today that the Senate health care bill would drive up the number of uninsured Americans. That could make it tougher to win the support of undecided Republicans. Here's Chief Congressional Correspondent Nancy Cordes.
Obviously, it's not good news.
Arizona's John McCain says he's staying on the fence after congressional number crunchers determined that his party's Senate health care bill would result in 22 million more Americans going without coverage by 2026. A slight improvement over the House version, which President Trump described as mean.
That was my term, because I want to see, and I speak from the heart. That's what I want to see. I want to see a bill with heart.
The Congressional Budget Office says the biggest drop in coverage would come next year, when 15 million more people would be uninsured, primarily because Obamacare's penalty for not having insurance would be eliminated. Coverage would decrease in later years because of lower spending on Medicaid and substantially smaller average subsidies for coverage than Obamacare provides.
These programs are growing at an unsustainable rate.
Republicans who support the bill say their market-based approach will lead to more choices and lower costs. But the CBO projects that under the GOP plan, most people purchasing insurance on the individual market would have higher out-of-pocket spending on health care, even, Democrats note, as the wealthy get a tax break.
The core of our bill was good and covered more people. The core of their bill is bad and covers less people and charges them more.
Despite internal resistance, Republican leaders are vowing to hold a vote this week. Oklahoma's Jim Inhofe predicts GOP holdouts will come around.
The choice is, you want to go back home and say, well, I supported Obamacare over the Republican plan, and I don't think they do.
Still, that 22 million coverage figure is a setback, and a short time ago, Anthony, the White House put out a statement saying that the CBO has a, quote, history of inaccuracy, pointing out that the CBO was off when it predicted coverage under Obamacare, too.
Nancy Cordes with the health care battle at the Capitol. Thanks, Nancy.